Wanted to share with you some of the people we were able to chat with and help last week, so you could be on the lookout for us this week. We had an awesome conversation with a client that actually closed last week where they lived in a different part of the country, wanted to move up here by the grandkids. So we were able to get them moved up here. We're able to get them a home that fit their needs. We're able to get them the budget that fit their needs because they don't have a monthly payment with the new and improved reverse mortgage for purchase. And they have over $100,000 left over for when they sold their home in a different state. It was awesome to help her. We had another client. Unfortunately, they lost their husband a few years ago and they want to stay in the home. The challenge was their budget was completely different because some of the income went away when the husband passed away. So we've been working through the process with them. We're just able to get them the clear to close. They're able to have a zero monthly mortgage payment. They're going to have about $35,000 in cash and another $30,000 in a line of credit coming their way. So if that rings a bell with you or someone else you know that could use that because they had a life change, that could be a great client for us to chat with. We had another scenario where the client had bought a new construction home. So they'd sold their home, made a bunch of money, wanted to move to a different part of the state. They bought a new construction. The lender gave them all these incentives, et cetera, to go with them. But unfortunately, incentives don't give you a zero monthly mortgage payment. So we've been working with them on we're going to wiping out their mortgage, pay the mortgage off with the new and improved reverse mortgage. They'll have no obligation to make a mortgage payment. Same house, same everything, but a better budget. And all these programs, they still own their house, they're still able to sell their house. But the best news about it is they have more flexibility and more monthly cash flow that they can use. The last scenario that I wanted to share with you is I got a call from an actual real estate agent that shared with me. She had a client that she helped get into a home that she found out they had a health event. So one of the two is really sick, and they could use some extra money and use some extra flow in their budget, and they have a lot of equity in their home. So we're going to be chatting with them this week about how we can take their mortgage payment down to zero, give them extra cash flow, and most importantly, peace of mind. Because whether you are sick or not feeling great, or if you're up in years, as we all know, something's about to break, something's about to happen financially, something's about to happen physically. That happens more often when you're stressed out about finances. So if you know of anyone that could use more peace of mind because they don't have a mortgage payment, they've got money in the bank, they have access to some of their equity. That's what we do, and we would love an introduction. We'll take great care of them. We'll give you and them the same advice that we give our family members. We're here to help. My direct line is 615-400-6764. Give us a call, give us a text, or just give us a direct message here. My team and I love to serve seniors any way that we can. Thanks again. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.